Embrace sustainability. Brew your kombucha the eco-friendly way. In a world where environmental consciousness is not just appreciated but necessary, it's time to rethink even the smallest of our daily choices. What if I told you that your love for kombucha, the tangy, effervescent drink that's taken the wellness world by storm, could also contribute to your green lifestyle? Brewing kombucha at home is not just about embracing a healthful practice. It's a step towards a more sustainable and zero-waste lifestyle. Kombucha, with its roots in ancient history, has emerged as a modern elixir, loved for its probiotic benefits and unique taste. However, as we reach for that bottle off the shelf, we seldom consider the environmental footprint it leaves behind. From the production process to packaging and transportation, the carbon footprint of commercial kombucha can be significant. But there's a simple, impactful solution: brewing your own kombucha at home. Why brew kombucha at home? Reduce packaging waste. Every bottle of store-bought kombucha comes in packaging, usually glass or plastic. By brewing at home, you significantly cut down on this waste. Reusing your brewing bottles and jars not only lessens the demand for new packaging, but also embodies the principle of reducing and reusing, key tenets of a sustainable lifestyle. Support local and organic. When you brew at home, you have the control to choose your ingredients. Opting for organic teas and sugar supports environmentally friendly farming practices. Moreover, sourcing ingredients locally can reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation. Compost your leftovers. Kombucha brewing leaves behind tea leaves and a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Instead of tossing them into the trash, these byproducts can be composted, contributing to a nutrient-rich compost for your garden. This cycle of use and reuse perfectly illustrates the zero-waste philosophy. Eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Cleaning your brewing equipment doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals. Vinegar and hot water are effective, non-toxic alternatives that keep your brewing equipment clean and ready for the next batch. This approach minimizes the introduction of harmful substances into your home and the environment. How to start your eco-friendly brewing journey. Equip yourself. Start with a brewing kit or assemble your own. Look for secondhand glass jars and bottles to reduce demand for new materials. Ensure they are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized before use. Select your ingredients wisely. Choose organic, non-GMO teas and sugar. Visit local farmers markets or health food stores to find locally sourced, sustainable options. Embrace the SCOBY. This living home for bacteria and yeast is the heart of your kombucha. After brewing, share it with friends or use it to start another batch. SCOBYs can also be composted or even used in creative ways, such as making SCOBY snacks or leather. Brew and share. Not only does homebrewing allow you to control the ingredients and flavors, but sharing your kombucha can inspire others to start their brewing journey, spreading the practice of sustainable living. Join the movement. Our planet is a shared home, and every small step towards sustainability makes a difference. By brewing kombucha at home, you're not just crafting a delicious beverage. You're part of a global movement towards a healthier, more sustainable world. Interested in starting your eco-friendly kombucha brewing journey? Visit our website for more tips, tricks, and recipes. Together, we can make a difference, one batch at a time. Join us in this delicious venture towards sustainability. Your taste buds and the planet will thank you. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield. Give our burp lids a try to help create your homemade kombucha.